Are you taking Meloxicam for pain or considering it? What if this common medication held risks you weren't fully aware of? Today, we're diving deep into Meloxicam, a powerful medication often prescribed for managing pain and inflammation caused by conditions like arthritis. We'll explore exactly what it's used for, but more importantly, we'll uncover three critical side effects you absolutely need to understand. Knowing these potential issues can help you have a more informed conversation with your doctor and make safer choices for your health journey. Meloxicam belongs to a group of medicines called NSAIDs, or nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. It works by reducing certain substances in your body that cause pain and swelling, offering significant relief for chronic joint pain from osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Many find it incredibly effective, but like any medication, it's not without its downsides. The first major concern involves your stomach. Meloxicam can irritate the lining, potentially leading to ulcers, heartburn, or even dangerous internal bleeding, especially with long-term use. Think of it like a persistent friction in your digestive system. Secondly, your heart and blood vessels could be affected. There's a heightened risk of heart attack or stroke, particularly if you already have heart issues or take it for extended periods. It can also cause blood pressure to rise. Finally, your kidneys are also on the watch list. Meloxicam can reduce blood flow to the kidneys, impacting their ability to filter waste, which can become serious for some people. Always speak to your doctor if you experience any unusual symptoms or have concerns about your medication. To learn more about managing pain effectively, click on the video now popping up on your screen.